Hello guys, good day. Pobreng Engineer here. Today I will teach you how to hide the grid lines, the headings, the header, then also the formula bar of the Excel application. And before we continue, before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the YouTube channel. And also, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. Okay? So let's start. And the interface of the Excel application, just click the view tab. Then in the shoe group, you can see the check grid lines, formula bars, and headings. Just uncheck those check. Okay, and the grid lines, let's uncheck this, so it's now hidden. Then also the formula bars, also the heading. So Beulah, it's all hidden, so it's very easy. That's all for today. Thank you and God bless.